All right, today, you guys, we got in a package from Carpodgo, and we're going to do a little review. We're going to do an install in my truck, but there is a variety of applications this thing will fit. It'll fit anything you want it in. Let's show you what all it fits right now. All right, guys, I could have kept going for a while, but like you saw, it fits everything. So it comes in the box, nice packaging. I'm not much of an unboxer video guy. I want to get straight into the install, but I will show you simply what it comes with. A suction cup mount that is fully adjustable. It comes with, so you can suction it to the glass, or you can put it on your dashboard, suction it right there. Whatever's best for your mounting purposes. It comes with another mount that you can 3M tape to your dashboard, which was going to be the route I was going to go, but I'll show you what I did with mine. I customized it a little bit. And of course, the screen is a 9.8-inch CarPlay Android screen. And then it comes with rear view camera. But I have a 2019 Silverado, so I will not be using this feature on this install. I might use it in the future if I install it in a different vehicle. But that's about it. Let's get into this. All right, you guys, I have a bullet point mount solutions in my Silverado. So what I did with the mount that came with it, the magnetic mount, I had an adapter ball, and I used my bracket that I was using for an iPad holder. I mounted it up there, so it's real nice and simple. Boom. Magnetized on there. So again, just run the cord down. I have a power distribution block down here. And just like that, you turn it on. I customized it to have the Chevy Silverado. The nice thing is, if you don't have a Bluetooth vehicle, you can use it. If you have an aux, you can plug in the adapter and it works just like Bluetooth. You can put it on FM station, go that route. It also does have a built-in speaker on it. So it's not that loud, but if you're just looking for a little something, the built-in speaker would be the way to go for you. It is so universally commonized. They planned it out pretty much so. This thing fits everything. Let's get into the install. You guys, when it loads up, you can customize the screen, and it will, once you connect, it will automatically connect to your phone. So I have my phone set up for Bluetooth on my radio for the audio, and then Bluetooth to display on the screen. So it has all your normal your Apple Play stuff on here. Zoom calls, YouTube music, WhatsApp, Spotify, phone, text, maps, music, podcasts, all your normal stuff. And it is a very simple install. Once you figure out the mounting, where you want to mount it and all that type of stuff. And we'll do a split screen. So the reason I'm not using the camera is because I wanted my factory screen to have the reverse on there. You can hook it up to that. I still wanted to use my factory screen. That's why I didn't cover it up. So all the features are really, really great. You can swipe side to side, music, anything you can think of for Apple Play. All right, guys. That's it for the install. I hope you like this. We like to do some product reviews, that type of stuff, show you guys what we are using on the channel. Yes, I was sent this for free, but all the reviews are what I think about the product. Overall, it's a great product. A couple pros. I like how wide it is, 9.8 inch. The only downside I really think is I would like a little bigger one, but depending on your mounting solution, I think it's wide enough. I'd like it a little taller just to be like an iPad type dash. It gets rid of my iPad mount I had on here, which I like because iPads don't have Apple CarPlay and all that type of stuff. So it was kind of a little, weird trying to connect and everything between my phone, my iPad, and use it all with the GM factory head unit. You can take it in and out. It's portable. You can take it in vehicles. That's a nice thing. Easy install. That's another pro. Overall, I am very happy with this product. And if you're interested in one, we'll link the link below. And it runs about $250, but I would definitely get it. I've done aftermarket head units, all that type stuff in the past. And this is easy. I can take it out. I don't have to do any wiring. You don't really have to be really technical to install this. So about it for the video. And like I said, you can use it in any car, golf cart, razor, side-by-side, boat. It goes on and on. The list is endless. So if you have one of those things, you're looking for a cheap way, this is the route to go. We'll see you guys next time. Check out some other install videos on the left and the right hand side of the screen. And if you haven't yet, we would love you. Hit that like button, subscribe. It means the world to me.